We are finally gonna make the Z clean again. We got the new windshield on. It's got 2 days with the tape on, and then we can go ahead and band her up, get her all cleaned, start washing again. See if we can get this thing going sideways. Stinky, bro. That shit was a cloud, man. That was pretty fucking gnarly. We were slamming that shit, and these tires are really old, so you know I never know when they're gonna pop, so that's why I gotta get rid of these. Damn. Right now we're just trying to get out of that spot because that shit was stinky. And hot boy. Oh shit, what? Don't want to hit a fucking wall, goddamn. That uphill drift, bro. Fuck it, that's what happens when you get an HR, bro. That DE could never, bro. Or maybe, but by the time there's no oil, 300 horsepower versus that 270, you know, that's a big difference if you ask me. After that little spin, let's do a little tire review where we're at. You can see all this cracking, all the traction marks, and right there you can see the wires. And on this side, it's just balding at the very end, you know, that camber life. But god damn, it was shredding tires. I could have done a rotation with these, but first of all, they install them backwards. Tires don't match. That's why we don't buy used tires. Look, in the rain, no traction. I spin out right here. Fucking Juan. Look at them slotted rotors. Bro, I can go lower for sure. What the? I don't know about this. This thing looks like a whole shock. Like, what? This would be the only adjustment I could do. A little bit. Probably not much. As we're continuing to mod the 350Z, that's this huge box. Oh, it's already falling out. I don't know how I'm gonna get this up. Alright. Alright, damn. The lip. You like the lip or not? It looks kind of funny. Aerodynamic right there.
It's the neck one.
It looks straight. I like it. I think I have to drill some holes though.
Yeah, custom the hole. But they already have the hole here for us. Like,
oh, so
we have to do this exactly.
So you gonna help me? He's like,
the body's soft, huh?
I want to cut this so I can.
Oh, that's for the oil?
Yeah, yeah, I guess so.
Oil,
I mean, I can take this off too, but it comes with the mesh. I'll probably take it off. It looks kind of weird.
Yeah, and add the, you know, the oil
cooler?
The oil cooler, like Henry, like the Missimo.
Try to be twin with him? Yeah. It's that Duraflex, or it's that, what is it, fiberglass.
You know what that means, right?
It can crack. Isn't that the same thing as this? No? This is better?
That's poly or something.
This is poly?
Yeah. But this one, if you like, you hit the curb size on this.
Really? Oh shit.
To try this, you need to be very careful. Super careful.
Fuck. I'm not very careful. That's my problem. I'm like. I think this is gonna be a lot lighter than the bumper I'm putting on, but that's besides the point. More for style. We don't need that.